In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an online store in Hostinger step by step. Whether you're starting a brand new business, launching a dropshipping store, or selling your own products, Hostinger's website builder makes the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. You don't need any coding skills, and you can have your store live in just a short amount of time. I'll walk you through everything, from choosing a template to adding products and setting up payments. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and online business tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Websites, then select Add Website and choose Hostinger Website Builder. This will open the Builder setup process. Hostinger will now ask you to choose a template. Click on Pre-made Templates and in the search bar, type Online Store. You'll see a variety of e-commerce ready designs. Browse through them and pick the one that best matches your brand or the type of products you want to sell. Don't worry too much about colors or images right now, because you can fully customize everything later. Once you select your template, the builder will load your new website automatically. Now it's time to customize your template. Click on any text to edit it directly. You can change headings, product descriptions, and buttons to match your brand voice. To update images, simply click on an image block and upload your own photos. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and layouts from the design settings to make your store look professional and unique. Take your time here, because good branding builds trust with customers. Next, let's add your products. On the left-hand menu, go to Store, then click on Products and select Add Product. Here, you'll enter your product name, price, description, and upload product images. Make sure your descriptions are clear and persuasive, highlighting the benefits of your product. You can also manage inventory, add product variants like sizes or colors, and organize products into categories. Repeat this process for each item you want to sell in your online store. After adding products, the next important step is setting up payments. Go to Store Settings and click on Payments. Here, you can connect payment providers like PayPal or Stripe. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts. These platforms allow you to securely accept credit card payments and online transactions from customers worldwide. Make sure to test your payment method if possible, so you know everything is working correctly before going live. Finally, once everything looks good, it's time to publish your store. Click the Publish button at the top of the builder. Your online shop will now be live on your domain and accessible to customers. Before you start promoting it, quickly review your website on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully created an online store in Hostinger from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.